Hi, I'm Sławek from Klimas company. We are in Poland, near Częstochowa city. Take a look on our production plant where we produce up to 30 million screws every day. We invite you to take a short tour in our 80,000 square meter factory where we produce different types of fasteners, from our beautiful timber screws to mechanical anchors. In our portfolio we have about 7,000 different types of fasteners. It's a lot, but the position of the leader obliges. If you ask me why we became a partner of CLT Toolbox, I will answer simply, because we share common experiences and beliefs. First, we understand that there is still a long way to go for mass timber, and we want to be a part of that journey. The second, this road will lead nowhere without education. And we want to train, to teach, and to show opportunities. The third, we know how difficult it is to change the habits of architects, engineers, builders, but we'll do it with the quality, just the way we like it, strong for generations.